guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn a very useful tip on Canva, how to edit any design you can find on internet. Let me go, for example, to Pinterest and find some designs. For example, I really enjoyed this one, so I'm gonna click on it and save as my image. And I think I really enjoy this other one right here, so I'm gonna find it and save as my image as well. Imagine that I would need to edit these designs, okay? So let me go to Canva. Into the Canva homepage, I'm gonna go to upload. I'm gonna upload a file and I'm gonna select the file, for example, this one. I'm gonna click on use in a new design and custom size, so I can edit into the design that the image is. Let me create a design. Let me click on the image and then I'm gonna go to edit into this menu next to remove background. Then I'm gonna click on magic layer. Canva gonna analyze the image, change the design a little bit, but of course keep the layout and transform every single part of the design into an editable layer. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. So as you can see, we can play with the parts of the design now and customize. For example, right here, you can change the candles in the case that you would like to remove it. And let me repeat the process with the other image. This can make our life very much easier, so it's useful. Of course, you need to use it with responsibility, but I think it's very useful. Let's go to edit, magic layer. Once again, I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. Bigger image complexity is, more time it gonna takes. But this is what I need. I would like to change this percent. So change from 10 to 50. And this is exactly all I want. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and guides. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.